Hello, it's Debbie here, and in this video I shall be showing you how to do the purl stitch. For our purl stitch, we're going to have our stitches on the left hand needle, and we're going to use the right hand needle to make the stitches. So for this stitch we need our right hand needle underneath the working yarn, and we're going to go up into the front of the first stitch on the needle. The yarn then comes round the right hand needle, and we take the stitch out through the back and slide the tip needle off out of the stitch. So you can see there, that's our first stitch made. So for our next stitch we go up through the front again, wrap the yarn round, and remember with this stitch we take the yarn loop out to the back and then drop the loop off the left hand needle, and that's our second stitch. So that's up through the front, around, out through the back, and so you can see that at the back there, that's actually going to slide off the needle to form that third stitch. So we've got 3 stitches there now finished. So I'm now going to work to the end of the row. When you get to the end of the row, again up into the front of the stitch there, wrap the yarn round, go back through the loop and take the yarn off the needle, and there we have our first row of purl stitches, and our left hand needle is now going to be our working needle, and this needle here is going to swap into the other hand. So for our next row, exactly the same process, just make sure you're not working with this tail here. So our yarn is in front of our needle, so in front there, up into the front of the stitch, wrap the yarn round, take the yarn loop out to the back and slide across to drop that loop off. Another one, round, take the yarn out through the back and slide off, and I'll just carry on again here until we get to the end. Final stitch as before, and we finished our second row, and you should have second row of knitting on your right hand needle, and you've got your left hand needle is empty.